Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz919 here, and what we're doing today is a bit of work on the Zafira B. We're just going to change the spark plugs and the air filter because I'm not doing a full service because when I first got the car, it did have a coolant change and oil change that the person who sold it to me very nicely did. So yeah, let's see what sort of state the air filter and the spark plugs are in, which I don't think they'll be in too bad a state to be fair. But let's have a look anyway. Right then guys, so I didn't really speak much through doing that because I just sort of wanted to get it done more than anything. Looking at this air filter, like, it has been in for a bit, but I don't think I'd go as far as to say it is factory. Although it says man filter here, I'm quite sure that the OEM one has GM for General Motors next to it because they're basically the people who built the car. I quite strongly believe that this has been changed at least once in its life on the car. The spark plugs, they're not looking too bad. There's like no real signs of anything bad on them. Like, the top's not too clean, so we know we haven't got a coolant leak, and then it's like it's not too burnt around the threads, so we're not over fueling. So yeah, it's quite good, and the top hasn't worn out, so the spark isn't too heavy of a spark. So quite happy with that, to be honest with you. Oh, and the this section here is quite nice and still looking new. So, and I bet these have been changed before as well, more than likely, with the Me and Bosch. I don't know what the OEM ones look like, but I don't know, they sort of look like they've been changed before. Right then guys, so I've just taken Zara for a quick little drive, and she seems to be quite good. I haven't had any problems, it hasn't caught fire, hasn't blown up, so yeah, I think I've done the job correctly apparently. There's no warning lights on the dash or anything, so yeah, job well done. Right then, so that is it for this video guys. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time guys, peace. Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz919 here.